Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 25th to the 29th of May 2026 on Monday. Soga ends his first bookkeeping payment from the saloon owner who promises referrals. He shares the good news with Molefe, who gently confronts Soga about not being present during the divorce on Tuesday. Keletso confesses she loves Tato dress and wants to wear it for the dance, apologizing directly to Honor. Honor is hurt but gracious and supports Keletso's choice on Wednesday. Pumla is hired by Honor after an impressive interview. Sihle receives a surprise matric dance package, and Isaac and Molefe set a trap for Msizi as he plans to break into Isaac's office on Thursday. Molefe and Isaac secretly film Msizi boasting about her tender information and confronting him the next day, with the footage setting a tense showdown on Friday. Isaac confronted Msizi with incriminating footage, issuing an ultimatum: shut down Tembisa Logistic and Engineering, cancel the tender, and never bid again, or the tape goes to the police. A violent struggle ensues. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.